really doing it. Oh my goodness. Make sure your ailerons are okay, Neil.
Don't change your shorts. Going up with him, isn't he? What? The guy's going up with him, isn't he?
Well, you wouldn't let Neil loose with that on his own, would you?
Where's he going to sit? Oh, he's at the side of it.
Yeah,
All right.
Side. On his knee. Are you sure that things will be all right there?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's one. Come round.
Yeah. I can't believe it. He's so good for so long, hasn't he?
Mm.
He's thingy up now. Oh, he'll not be able to. Oh. He's got a sort of a bit of a rapport thing going on with Bob anyway, because he spoke to him on a few
I see, all right.
You know, when we've been down here, because Neil cases everything out before he goes for it. He goes looking and talking to people. Have you noticed? Oh, I shouldn't say because he'll be speaking, won't he? And if he Neil. Oh my goodness. His head wasn't as shiny on those other photographs that he's in when he's younger, because it's in the same sort of plane. Now he can see shiny bit. It's gone punk. Look. Oh, is Neil lucky? He's Neil lucky. He's so lucky. It's like that record. I'm up all night to get lucky. I've come down to Sleap to be lucky. Do you know it? It's like that number one.
No.
You do?
No.
Yes. All night to get lucky. Come on. Steve McQueen. Will they be radioing now? He did say to me, he said, do you want to take the radio down? Oh, and you know, the
Yeah.
like that. So I said, no, it's all right, Neil. And then he said, well, the batteries are not working. Do you think you'll do a fly past as well over the top?
You might do.
Yeah, inverted.
A roll over.
Inverted upside down. Well, is it inverted over the tower? Oh, not so. Actually, I'm not too keen on that name though.
Well, Avalanche.
Yeah. Oh, he's talking back to him. He said, yes, just saw him do his flaps. Did you see his flaps move?
The flaps?
Yeah.
I know, I saw him do the rudder.
Oh, was that the rudder?
Yeah.
Well, you know what I meant. Mr. Questions. Gosh, Chess would be dead proud of him.
Elbows
Okay,
in.
it's on. Oh, headset's on. Oh, a bit big for him. Squeeze him in, honey. Oh gosh. engine on and the propeller. So it stops. Here we go. Oh, yes, and we're off. Oh my God, he's actually doing it like, bloody hell, all these years of talking. Oh, after all these years of talking about it, he's doing it. Like 15 years. Bloody hell. Oh my God, Neil. Oh, it's not every year you're 6 years there.
No.
I think this is what's happened. Come on, honey, go for it. I brought my credit card just in case you want to go up again. I said I'm taking the credit card, I said just in case you want more than half an hour. So he was crunching his money out this morning. Wave at me, wave at me. That's what they do at the end of the runway at Manchester. You know, when they're going off in the jumbo, the pilots go like this at you. You know, when you're on that pub at runway road.
Oh yeah.
Oh, Lord, it's Bob! Oh, God!
Because you're going to come out that way, isn't they?